You have to say something about the whole trip and whatever you feel so.
Superb trip, we enjoyed a lot. Total different experience.
And it was a typical Deepak Mama and Leena auntie curated an adventurous trip. It was
Great,
so nice.
great.
Mainly, the most important thing was the family bonding.
Wow.
For a very long time.
And hospitality.
Oh.
Always.
I missed it. I missed this one.
But to be honest,
तो
I
मैं-
was new to this family, but Leena auntie and Deepak Mama will always do something out of the box. If you are struggling for ideas for wedding, you can always contact me.
क्या की ना blessings?
अपना बड़ा बोला है लेकिन blessing છે
नहीं नहीं हुआ जो है
Superb.
क्या एक शब्द बोलना टाइप ऑफ
અમે ખુશી છે અમારી દીકરી સુખી અમારી જમાઈ સુખી
क्या बात है थैंक यू
आशीर्वाद
थैंक यू
Yes, yeah. So next time अभी I don't want to wait till 55, 60. जब भी मेमोरीज है मुझे शेयर करना. अपनी फोटोग्राफी स्किल से मुझे अंदर डाल देना कैसे भी करके. And wishing her lot of happy birthday, lot of prosperity. All 3 cheers to you for planning everything.
थैंक यू गॉड ब्लेस
There are
यू
very few people who do this. You are one of them.
थैंक यू
Not an inspiration, but very good initiative. કાંઈ નહીં તો આટલું પણ ન કરી શકે ને થોડું પણ કરીએ ને તો it will be great from our side.
If you
That
finish.
is indeed it means a lot and we were looking forward for it અને મેં તો મારું ફંક્શન પણ ઘરનું skip કર્યું because I wanted to be with the
यस
family.
थैंक यू सो नाइस ऑफ यू
But actually good health every time prosperity તો આવી જ જશે health સારી હશે.
Blessings.
Prosperity આવશે.
थैंक यू
સૌથી પહેલા ક્રમ મારો જ હતો.
Yeah.
Unfortunately અમે આવી ન શક્યા. But
जेन्युइन रीजन
I love you.
મારો પણ मैं लास्ट 50th गयो थैंक यू
But really, miss the fun.
बट नेक्स्ट टाइम वेल ऑलवेज नेक्स्ट टाइम थैंक यू
One day experience.
Karthi Asri, no experience.
About your garden.
बिल्कुल हमें प्राइवेट છે.
Come. Start. आप start करो.
या स्टार्ट
It was a fantastic experience, Deepak Diju. And it was Lovely Ben's birthday, it was the cherry on top.
वाओ
And Lovely Ben's birthday for us, it's always a function whether you celebrate or not. Because all my sisters, including Julie Ben, Lovely Ben and Deepu Ben,
Yeah.
I'm very close to these girls because I have been born and brought up by these girls. After my mom, they are the one who have taken care of me. So celebrating her 50th birthday is really an experience and a memory for life for me.
वाओ
And we are so blessed and we are really grateful that 50th birthday ma you called us and we got this opportunity to be with you all and celebrate a 50th birthday.
All pleasures are mine.
It was really our pleasure to be with you. So thank you very
But-
much. And
But definitely the energy which you both guys carry, like arrangements तो चलो बधाई करी ले, पर बधाई होई capability,
and
but
from the
energy.
beginning till the end,
But
the whole the entire
but
process
seriously,
was
won't
planned.
believe. Yesterday 6 o'clock थी, and till today, they both are of the same energy. Same energy. बधाई सुई गया आ गया
Hardly an app is over.
Hardly an app, but-
Just running around looking after everything all okay.
એટલે had we been there ना, अरे छोड़ ना આપણે આરામ કરીએ ना.
We like चलो कर ही लेते हैं, but they took care of each and everyone personally. So that was
So this is really a thing to learn from
this
them.
is
I
really
really
a
admire
true
them.
source of
बॉस अभी रुलाएगा क्या
No, we are running short of words.
Oh
actually.
my god superb
Every time we have
superb
learned something from you. Each and every time we
Yes,
meet you,
yes,
we grasp something from you. And,
Yes.
and we learn something from you. And indeed, Lavini, we love you very, very, very
Oh,
much. And
क्या बात
I think it was the most memorable birthday
Birthday,
for
yes,
her
yes.
and for us
Us
also.
also, yes,
So this was the best day ever.
Thank you.
Thank you. It was a
Thank you,
wonderful
Lavanya. Thank you so
experience.
much.
And we really hope and we wish and we pray every year you celebrate her birthday in such grand way and we all be the part of it.
superb superb
And really we feel blessed કે દાની family ના આવા જમાઈ શકે. Thankfully, none of our sisters are less blessed or overly blessed. Wow. Thank you so
super
much.
super thank you
એક કાલનો દિવસ તમે છે ને બે આપસમાં એન્જોય કરજો હવે કોઈ નહીં બોલાવતા કાલે. Love and happiness. Yes, yes, yes.
And have a great year and upcoming years in the future. Like, God bless
वो तो पूरा मेमोरी, वो वाटर, सॉन्ग, एवरीथिंग
याद करो ना वे बोले ना वी आर रनिंग शॉर्ट ऑफ वर्ड्स, ऐसा हो गया।
मतलब ये 2 दिन ऐसा लग रहा है कि हम 10 दिन जिए ऐसा।
बहुत मजा आया।
जिंदगी ना मिली दोबारा जैसा था ये पूरा एक साथ कर लिया मैंने एडवेंचर सब एक साथ कर लिया सो थैंक यू वेरी मच
Thank you.
On this high note, we will take your leave now.
Yes, sir.
On this high note, चलो।
We had loads of fun at Eppa camp.
Yeah.
अच्छा मजा भी लाने वाली।
Thank you. Thank you so much.
मेन तो लाडू खावानी
पड़ी गई थी
Oh.
बहुत बचाने का ट्राई किया बट वो गई नहीं गई यार।
एक याद करिए वो भी
मस्त ये था कि उन्होंने अपने को बोल के कि अरे इधर ही करके ना पूरा ट्रैक करो। इधर ही बट
I think Meet would be able to correlate. Kalsu bhai, part 2 था।
फर्स्ट टाइम जब ये पावर कैंप गए थे तभी उसने बोला हाँ ट्रैक इधर ही है।
3 घंटे तक चले गए। Great. So बस यही 2-3 चीजें, मतलब कुछ फीडबैक, पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव।
बेस्ट में बेस्ट
सबसे ज्यादा मेरे को मजा आया कि डू ने बजाया।
डूने, हाँ अभी
हमारे पास शब्द ही नहीं।
Congratulations first of all to Lavani on such a grand celebration of 50th birthday.
Thank you.
And all the credit goes to Deepak, such a nice hubby.
She deserves it.
Comments are from my side. No interruptions, please.
Agreed.
And the best part is the place was so fantastic. We have heard of so many destination weddings, but first time I'm attending and listening the destination birthday, and which is the inspiration for so many people now.
Very true.
Hoping to see you so many birthdays.
Wish you a very happy birthday.
Thank you, mommy.
Enjoy your life.
This way.
Yes. Fullest.
मैं भी વધારે एंजॉय કર્યું कि मामा मामी આવ્યા।
Really thank you.
इतना
मतलब
बिजी शेड्यूल
हाँ, और ये पॉसिबल थोड़ा ऐसे ही होता है कि सब निकल गए तो फिर जाने को अभी नहीं जाता, बट यू टुक गाइस एफर्ट्स तो इट्स रियली अप्रिशिएट। थैंक यू टू यू आल्सो।
Wishing a very happy 50th birthday. It was a great pleasure to have us all. Such a wonderful and grand. At a short notice, you did such a wonderful thing as always. So, I'm expecting really for the anniversary also. I'm sure. So it is going to come. That also it's going to be a real blast. From the past so many years, I've experienced. I've seen so many birthday parties, everything. But I think so. You guys come up with such different ideas every time, which is unbeatable, unmatchable.
And pressure on others.
So I thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I love you guys too much.
Same.
Bye.
Same to
Bye.
you.
love you.
Anyone?
Thank you so much, Lina Aunty, कि तुम आ गए हो. अरे we got to stop.
हाँ, it's
Lina Aunty and
हाँ,
ये हमारे birthday special Lina Aunty. Thank you. अरे I'm sure कि Arjit हम standard life कुछ now we'll also look for something like this in our to-be partner. Inspiration बार बधी गई चलो. Everyone बनती जाए. It's getting tougher for everybody, challenging. But it was so much fun. Like Martu, मजा आई थी, and everything was too good. So thank you. Happy birthday once again.
Wish you happy birthday.
Thank you. आज तू तो मारा पप्पा छे यार।
Come on यार। अरे इतना खुशी के मौके पे कौन रोता है? ये come on।
Come on.
कहीं भूल થઈ ગઈ અમારાથી। बस में ड्राई फ्रूट पे આપેલું। पाव भाजी तीखी હતી। नहीं, I understand his feelings, मतलब I think all people said by words and he said by his eyes.
because you are one of those couples जो लोग so much in love but they share that love with everybody and not everybody can do it because birthdays, anniversaries are very intimate and special days for the couple, for the person, but you have made it sure कि તમે એ બધા સાથે celebrate કરો and બધા એટલે we are not small group of people, we are 50 animals. So it is not easy to bring everybody in under one roof, but Deepa Mama can only do that and he manages it every time. And thank you to Leena aunty कि Leena તમે એવી માટે કરો ને Leena aunty મોટું support છે ને બધું it just falls into place. It looks effortless but it is not, I know for sure. So thank you so much.
It's a teamwork. અને આટલું મતલબ bonding, this kind of bonding is very rare to see. Compatibility where one person takes a decision and the second one just follows it and helps in every
I'm
small
not
thing.
sure कि આવા લોકો હજી exist કરે છે કે we'll have to find very hard.
And it is a challenge for the past generation and the newer generation also. So it is a challenge.
Should I take this as a compliment or a compliment? Or a compliment?
As a compliment, so please mention your compliment. Your mention it. Deepak Leena as a compliment. So 3 cheers for Leena Deepak.
Thank you.
And thank you for making us a part of everything.
Yes.
So thank you
so much.
Thank you.
સારો અવાજ આવશે.
બીજું કોઈની તાકાત છે બીજું કોઈ બોલી શકે આ રેકોર્ડ નહીં કરતો પાછો
Okay.
લીના મારી દીકરી સમાન છે પણ મારા એવા સંજોગો આવ્યા કે હું ત્યાં ન પહોંચી શકી એટલે વેરી સોરી અને અત્યારે અહીંયા આવી ગઈ
એની માટે અમે very thank you.
અને બહુ સરસ દીપક એટલો સરસ બર્થડે થી ઉજવો બધાના મોઢે વખાણ સાંભળ્યા અમે મિસ કર્યું અને એટલા આનાથી વિશેષ કરતો જાય તમારા આશીર્વાદ અને તમે બેઉ એકદમ હેપી ફેમિલી તરીકે રહ્યો
થેન્ક યુ મામી
બ્લેસિંગ્સ માટે હું છે ને બહુ ગ્રેડી છું બ્લેસિંગ્સ માટે એટલે આ બધું કરતો રહું છું.
In short, I can tell you, you have made this occasion memorable.
અને અમે નોંધાને જયેશ મામા અને હર્ષિકા મામીએ ખોટ પૂરી કરી દીધી મને બહુ ગમ્યું કે એક તો ગયા મામા
પણ રિયલી બહુ મિસ કર્યું છે તમને લોકોને કારણ કે મારા હરેક ફંક્શનમાં મામા મમ્મી હોય પણ આ સંજોગ એવા હતા કે હું ફોર્સલી ન કરી શકી
ડેફિનેટલી હું 13 તારીખે નોકાય વખત હું આવી જ ગઈ
હર્ષિત હિરણને બી બહુ મિસ કર્યું અત્યારે બી અને ત્યાં ટ્રીપમાં બી
નહીં બહુ સરસ કરે છે અને બહુ ગઈ થેન્ક યુ તમે બોલો
બસ thank you and God bless you.
થેન્ક યુ બસ આશીર્વાદ આપતા
All the
રહ્યો
couple, good. Yeah. Blessings છે અમારા પરમેનન્ટ તમારા સાથે બહુ
થેન્ક યુ
કર્યું તો આપણે ભગવાન
કરે કે અમાર છે
નહીં fact grounds.
First of all, wish you lovely and happy birthday.
Thank you.
Sorry we missed your lovely trip.
We also
Whatever
missed
we
it.
heard from others, it seems it was a fun which we have absolutely missed. Maybe next time. Thank you for calling us and making us a part of your birthday celebrations. We are very, very, very much happy to be part of it. Thank you so much.
Happy 50th birthday, lovely babe, and wish you many more years to come.
Thank you.
And thanks, Jigari, for organizing such a wonderful
Such a
party.
wonderful. He is the best host.
It is actually people appreciate it, but we appreciate them. If you guys don't come, then how it would be? You understand how we two people can celebrate it? That's very difficult, right? And so we appreciate who all come.
But that is your love towards all of us, which makes us come all the way.
But really બહુ મિસ કર્યું છે
But
આપણે સાથે
We also missed it, but yeah.
I think I am going to try to make this video in a day or something, but देखिए आपको
About the event or
Yeah.
about Leena?
So whatever you feel. So मतलब आज का बर्थडे लीना के बारे में whatever comes in your mind. Yeah. Come on.
Hindi, English,
Urdu, Punjabi. Say from the heart. That's fine.
First of all, very happy birthday to Leena.
Thank
the most
you.
sweetest and the most beautiful sister I have.
Same here.
I'm really happy for her 50th birthday.
Thank you.
I really wish her many happy and healthy years ahead. जितना अभी यहाँ तक खूबसूरत रही है आगे भी इतनी खूबसूरत रहेगी.
Wow, क्या बात है. दिल छूने वाली
And
बात.
she's really lucky to have a husband like Deepak जिसने इतना grand 50th birthday celebrate किया. So congratulations to both of you.
Thank you.
And it was a wonderful day, wonderful to meet the entire family after such a long time. Events like this is a bahana to meet the family. So it was a wonderful day and I really enjoyed it.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. God bless you.
you.